The basement we're going to be viewing is just down the road, and it is a 1-bedroom basement. Guys, don't forget to give this video a like and also comment in the comment section below and ask your questions. I'll try as much as possible to answer them. All right, we're almost there. So in case you are a newcomer that had just recently landed in Canada, but finding it really difficult to get that mind-blowing apartment as you've always wanted, you can start by checking out some basement apartments. Basement apartment mostly comes in 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom. And honestly speaking, I can hardly tell the difference between the main floor of the house and the basement, because most of the time the aesthetic used in the main floor is the same aesthetic used in the basement most of the time. At times it may differ depending on the design or the contractor. So a basement suite comes in twofold. You have the furnished basement and the unfurnished basement. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a furnished basement, and I think this just takes away the hassle of you trying to search for furnitures, trying to search for things just to make the basement or the apartment comfortable, because this takes away all of those stress. All you need to do is just come in with your luggage, your clothes, and also do some grocery shopping so you can stock up your fridge. So right here is a 2-in-1 machine. It's a dryer and also a washer. So once you put your clothes in, it washes it and dries it, and the next time you open it is just to take out your clothes. This right here is the mechanical room of the entire house. The door of the mechanical room is usually always locked because you have lots of wiring and you don't want that to be tampered with. So this is the main apartment. The sitting room area is furnished. It comes with a couch, comes with a console, comes with a TV, a side stool, and every other thing that will make it very comfortable and homely for you. So when you hear about a furnished basement, you should expect all of this in there and more. Okay, this is the kitchenette area. Most of the apartments here in Canada, comes with standard fittings like a fridge, microwave, dishwasher, table, stove, or a cooker. So you have your fridge, and basically you know what you use this to store up your groceries or your food. And one fantastic thing I love about this apartment is the storage area. The kitchenette, the cabinet is really roomy, and I think the builder and also the owner of this apartment made a good use of the space available. You have quite a number of storage areas. You have cabinets where you can put your utensils, you can put your foodstuffs, you can put your kitchen equipment like your juicer and the rest. It's really spacious, and this is one of the things I just usually look out for in an apartment. It must have enough, storage areas, storage spaces. So this is a 2-in-1 microwave. It's an oven and also it's a microwave. So it depends on the setting. Whatever setting you use is what you get. And this is more storage spaces. It comes with a double sink with a kitchen faucet and the likes. This right here is one of my favorite basement tour because of the ample space that it has. So yes, let's head over to the bathroom. The bathroom is quite spacious. It's really big, and right here you get to see the shower area. You get to see also the toilet and the sink. So I was just giving my review on the bathroom, saying it's well lit, it's not dark, and I like the bathtub because it comes with little compartments where you can keep your soap and some other skincare products that you basically will need while you are in the shower. So you can store it in all of those spaces. Comes with a shower, comes with a tap, and a standard size bathtub. So yeah, it's a wonderful apartment. I kind of like the planning of this apartment, and you can easily find apartments like this on Facebook Market. You can also find apartment like this on Kijiji or Rent Faster. I've heard a lot of times people say, I see really nice apartment, I don't want to get scammed. I like to get an apartment before I land in Canada, and so on. If you have friends in Canada, someone that stays in that same neighborhood, you can have them, go around, inspect the place just to make sure that it is the actual address and the actual pictures that you can view online, and verify who the house owner is before you make payment. This has happened quite a number of times. People do this very often, so you can also do this as well. And there's something fantastic coming on the channel soon, sometime this month. I will be speaking with someone, and guys, you want to make sure you subscribe and also like this video, so when the time comes, you get the notification and you can participate in this fantastic opportunity coming your way. I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag yet. So this is the apartment. Thank you for touring this with me, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay blessed and have a good one. Goodbye.